Is this the short key? Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
And you're showing off the GoPro 8.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, do you have the accessories that can show off?
So accessories, we don't have any live accessories. I can show you actually our media mod, which is
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so we're gonna be releasing this like vlogger-friendly setup within the next couple of months. We've got our light mod on the side here, which is $49.99. Our display mod, $79.99, and also the media mod, also $79.99. You can get the light mod right now on GoPro.com.
Right.
The media mod is available for pre-order, and the display mod is coming out in a couple of months.
We, a lot of our technology has been found, inspired, and really has a place at GoPro, or at CES rather, and we're always really excited to come here and share the latest and greatest with all of you. So today we will be talking a little bit about the HERO 8 Black and Max cameras, which are two cameras that we just launched in October of last year, as well as some of the accessories that go with them. But before we get into these cameras, and I really want to show you a video about what inspires us and kind of what brought GoPro to who we are today. And also it kind of touches on what inspires us, because our mission is to keep wowing our customers, and this is a little bit about what has inspired us along the way.
Sending them back in the line.
We have a really big community, a GoPro community following us, and we continue to try to wow them. And one of those features, and I want to invite up our product manager, Fong Tran, in a few seconds here to talk to you about our latest and greatest flagship, which is the HERO 8 Black. But before I bring Fong up, I'd like to show you a little bit about what that camera has to offer.